So this is an update. You can see the slushing machine has been on for like 50 minutes or so, and there's like ice around the outside. And I'm not sure what's happening with the liquid on the inside. But there's definitely ice on the outside. And you can see I scraped a bit here all over. I'm not sure if that's meant to happen. And the ice within the salty ice water has nearly dissolved. Apologies, that's an ice cream falling. And yeah, so to fill it up to the max now, we probably need 2 bottles of juice. You can see the inner canister is also iced up. But it looks like, I mean, it's been going on for nearly, what, just under an hour now. And I don't see no slushy. Where's the slushy? I stopped it. Ah!
It's not gonna work. We need to try tomorrow again.
We think we failed. This time, what we might do, let's have a look. What's the damage? So that's turned into icy,
Proper water.
salty water. And there's a bit of icing in the inside as well, you know. The canister itself has iced up, but unfortunately there's no ice
And the
in
slushie.
the slushy liquid.
So disappointing.
No, that's not fair. I'm so unhappy.
It's fine. I'll put this one in the deep fridge today.
So
once I washed it. So tomorrow night we'll try again.
we're gonna have attempt at making a slushy tomorrow. It did not work. It's a failed attempt. But
One
these
is
things
good.
happen.
I need more syrup because that's just for me.
That's not just for you.
I can drink that bit on my own. So
When it
we'll get
turns
more
into
syrup
ice,
tomorrow.
well, clearly 2 bottles will fill it up to the max.
Yeah. Then
Right.
at least 2 of
And
just
then-
me and you can drink.
Then 2 of us gonna have 2 slushies.
And then the rest of the family member can just watch.
Exactly. I mean, we're just 4 people, and this slushie machine that's been going on for over an hour will only make it for 2 people. Well, if you can't even make it for 1 person for an hour, I wonder how long it's going to take to make for 2. So, we live and learn, people. We live and learn. So,
I'm running the bathroom to
Yes.
clean that part now.
yes, it didn't work. The syrup's there. It doesn't look like there's any ice in there, actually. No. I guess the bubbles just from the condensation and stuff, but unfortunately it didn't work. So Mr. Slush Puppy, it may be actually cheaper just to purchase a slushie from one of the, slushy vendors than actually making it. But we will not give up this time, because we're not people who give up. We keep trying. We're going to try again, and hopefully, I hope we'll have something successful tomorrow, such as a slushie happened. So unfortunately, it failed. We don't own the machine. Well, I paid for the machine, so I do own one in the house, but obviously, Slush Puppy is a brand and it belongs to the brand company. Unfortunately, Mr. Slush Puppy branding company, I hate to tell you, but it didn't work. It failed. And I'm just letting everybody know that these things happen, and we'll try again. And I don't know, something went wrong. But the canister that goes inside the machine, they say if you put it in, we did follow all the instructions as they set out, but it's not as easy as it looks. So guys, wait for tomorrow's video and we'll let you know how it goes. Okay, thank you. Bye. Thanks for watching. Comment below, subscribe, send me your comments. I'm quite interested. If you've got a slushie machine, what am I doing wrong and what did you do that I'm not doing? Let me know. Thank you.